This is K. Damodar Reddy, lecturer in chemistry, Department of Chemistry, Government Degree College for Women, Vanaparthi. Today we are going to discuss amines. Amines are organic derivatives of ammonia in which one or more alkyl, cycloalkyl or aromatic groups replace hydrogen and bond to the nitrogen atom. Example: methylamine, trimethylamine, methyl propylamine, methyl phenylamine. Classification of amines. Classification of amines. Amines classified as primary, secondary, tertiary according to the number of groups attached to the nitrogen atom. In primary amine, one alkyl group present on nitrogen. Secondary amine, two alkyl groups. In tertiary amine, three alkyl groups present on nitrogen. So amines classified as primary, secondary, tertiary. So example for primary amine, methylamine. Secondary amine, dimethylamine. Tertiary amine, trimethylamine. Nomenclature of amines. According to IUPAC nomenclature, first we can select the longest carbon chain bound to the nitrogen as the parent chain. Name the chain by changing the alkane name for this chain. Drop the small e and add amine. Number the chain to give the nitrogen the lowest numbering. The number and identity of the other substrates, including anyone on the main chain, are indicated at the neighboring of the amine name. So, for example, 2-butanamine. So, longest chain is 4 carbons. So, the chain alkane name is butane. Small e replaced by amine. We can give the name butanamine. Amino group attached at second carbon. That's why this is 2-butanamine. Similarly, 3-amino butanoic acid. So, butanoic acid chain is long chain having third carbon NH2 group. That's why 3-amino butanoic acid. Similarly, 4-amino 4-chloro 2-pentanone. These are the aliphatic amines. We can take the consideration of aromatic amine. Aromatic amines involve an amine type nitrogen bound to an aromatic ring. Example: anisole. So in anisole, NH2 group, amino group attached to nitrogen with aromatic ring bounded to nitrogen atom of amino group with aromatic ring. For substituted anilines, the substituent names are treated in a manner similar to what show for substituent parent chain cases: aniline, N-ethyl, N-methylaniline, 3, N dimethyl aniline, 3, N dimethyl aniline. So here aromatic ring having one methyl group, nitrogen having one methyl group. That's why the name of this compound 3, N dimethyl aniline. So next we are discussing physical properties of amines. Physical properties of amines. Amines tend to gases for low molecular weight. Many heavier ones are liquids at room temperature. So that's why lower molecular weight of amines are gases and other are liquids in nature. In amines, hydrogen bonding is present in between nitrogen and hydrogen. So molecular physical properties of amines. Amines boiling points are intermediate of those for alcohols and alkenes of similar molar mass because of the presence of NH bonds in primary and secondary amines. Hydrogen bonding is sometimes possible, however, because nitrogen is not as electronegative as oxygen. The nitrogen bond hydrogen bond is not as polar as an OH bond. So weaker hydrogen bonding present in amines. The basicity of amines. The basicity of amines. Amines can act as a nucleophile, a Lewis base, because its lone pair non-bonding electron can form a bond with an electrophile. A Brownstein-Lowry base because it is accept a proton from a proton acid. See here example, reaction of amine as a proton base. So lone pair of electrons shifted to hydrogen of proton acid. So this is protonated. This is evidence for amines or bases. Amines are fairly strong base and their aqueous solution are basic. An amine can abstract a proton from water, giving an ammonium ion and a hydroxide ion. So see here, NH3 plus water molecule, it is giving rise to ammonium ion, NH4 plus OH minus. Therefore, stronger base have smaller values of pKb. The basicity of amines depends on the ability of the lone pair non-bonding electrons at nitrogen atom to form bond with an acid. The more easier the lone pair electrons formed bond with the acid will make the amines a strong base. Factor that affect the basicity of amines. Substitution by alkyl groups. The presence of alkyl groups, electron donating groups such as the methyl and ethyl, will make the amines becomes more basic due to plus I effect. For example, methylamine is more basic than ammonia. Methylbenzene is more basic than ammonia. Substitution by electron withdrawing groups. The presence of electron withdrawing groups or atoms will decrease the basicity. For example, nitroaniline is less basic than aniline. Nitroaniline is less basic than aniline. In nitroaniline, electron withdrawing group is nitro group. So that's why electron withdrawing groups decreases the basicity of amines. Basicity of aromatic amines. You can compare the aliphatic amines from aromatic amines. Aromatic amines is less basic than aliphatic amines and ammonia. What is the reason? Reason is the lone pair of electron on the nitrogen atom is delocalized into the benzene ring. Once again, the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom is delocalized into the benzene ring. As a result, the lone pair of electrons is less available for donation to an acid. So the reaction is shifted towards the left and makes aniline a weaker base than ammonia or aliphatic amines. So basicity of aromatic amines. Aromatic amines is less basic than aliphatic amines and ammonia. Reason is the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom is delocalized into the benzene ring. So next, Preparation of amines. So preparation of amines, first preparation method, reduction of nitro compounds gives primary amines. So aromatic amines are normally prepared by reduction of the corresponding aromatic nitro compounds. Aniline is prepared from nitrobenzene. So you can take the nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene undergoing reduction reaction takes place. We can get the aniline. You can prepare the aniline from nitrobenzene. Reducing agent SnHCl. Catalytic hydrogenation. So reduction of nitro compounds gives primary amine. Reduction of nitro compounds gives primary amine with reducing agent. For example, you can take the para-nitrobenzoic acid. We can get the para-amino benzoic acid. Similar, dinitrotoluene. Next to metanitro-benzaldehyde. So nitro group is reduced to give NH2 group, amino group. So that's why nitroalkanes undergoing reduction reaction gives amines, primary amines. Second preparation method, reduction of halides with ammonia. Ammonia reacts with the alkyl halides. We can prepare the primary amines. Primary amine undergoing reaction with the alkyl halide, we can get the secondary amine and tertiary amine. So alkyl groups substituted on nitrogen of hydrogen with the alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. So these are the preparation of primary amine. Next we are going to discuss third preparation method. Third preparation method, reduction of amides. Amides reduction gives us amines. Amides yield primary amines on reduction by lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4. The oxygen atom is replaced by two hydrogen atoms. So secondary and tertiary amides produce secondary and tertiary amines respectively. A reaction occurs via nucleophilic acyl substitution. then nucleophilic addition takes place. So we can take the propanamide undergoing reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, you can get the propanamine. Similarly, N-methyl propanamide we can take as an amide, we can get the N-methyl propanamine. We can take the amide of NN dimethyl propanamide, we can get the N, N dimethyl propanamine. This is the reduction of amides, you can get the amines. So another reduction of nitriles, another preparation method is reduction of nitriles. So nitriles can be reduced by strong reducing agent like hydrogen with catalyst or lithium aluminum hydride to yield primary amines. So you can take the RCN, alkyl cyanide. So it is undergoing catalytic hydrogenation takes place, you can get the primary amine. So next reaction is preparation of primary amine from Hoffman degradation reaction. This is Hoffman degradation of amides. Heating the amide with mixture of bromine and alkali, that means sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, amide will change to amines. Amide will change to amine. Is used to shorten the chain by one carbon. So RC double bond by NH2, this is the amide. This is undergoing reaction with the mixture of bromine and alkali. On heating, we can get the primary amine. So next we can see the synthesis of primary amines by Gabriel synthesis. So this is the important method of preparation of amines. You can take the, in Gabriel synthesis, starting compound is phthalimide. This phthalimide reacts with potassium hydroxide, you can get the potassium phthalimide. This potassium phthalimide reacts with the alkyl halide, you can get the N-alkyl phthalimide. This react with hydrazine in the presence of ethanol, you can get the primary amine. This is the Gabriel synthesis. In third step, we can take also NH3, we can get the primary amine. So this is the Gabriel synthesis, preparation of primary amine. In Gabriel synthesis, we can take the phthalimide. This phthalimide reacts with the potassium hydroxide, you can get the N-potassium phthalimide. N-potassium phthalimide reacts with the alkyl halide, you can get the N-alkyl phthalimide. This is going to hydrolysis reaction takes place, we can get the primary amine. Or reacts with the hydrazine, in the presence of ethanol we can get the primary amine. So next to chemical reactions of amines. Amines are similar to ammonia in their reactions. Like ammonia, amines are basic in nature due to lone pair of electron present on nitrogen atom. Like ammonia, amines are nucleophilic and react with alkyl halides, acid chlorides and carbonyl compounds. The aromatic amines are highly reactive in electrophilic aromatic substitution. So the aromatic amines are highly reactive in electrophilic aromatic substitution. So now we can take the ammonolysis of nitro compounds. So NH3 is a nucleophile. This is the reacts with the alkyl halide. We can get the substituted ammonium salt. On heating we can get the primary amine. This primary amine reacts with another mole of alkyl halide. So hydrogen replaced by another alkyl group of alkyl halide, we can get the secondary amine. Secondary amine reacts with another mole of alkyl halide. We can get the tertiary and quaternary amines. This is the ammonolysis reaction. An alkyl or benzyl halide on react with an ethanolic solution of ammonia undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction in which the halogen atom is replaced by an amino group. This process of cleavage of the C halogen bond by ammonia molecule is known as ammonolysis. The primary amine thus obtained behaves as a nucleophile and can further react with alkyl halide to form secondary and tertiary amines, and finally quaternary ammonium salt. This is called as the ammonolysis reaction. So another reaction is alkylation. Same alkylation. This is also example for like this. Next you can take the aromatic amines also in alkylation reaction. Conversion into amides. Amines reacts with acetyl chlorides. So we can get the substituted amides. Once again repeat my word. Primary comma secondary comma. Primary comma secondary amines having hydrogens on nitrogen. These two amines undergoing reaction with acetylation reaction. So we can get the substituted amides, whereas in the case of tertiary amine having no hydrogen, that's why this is not react with R C double bond with Cl. That means tertiary amines not react with acetyl chloride, acetyl chlorides. So now this is the first part of amino acids. Thank you one and all.